Folks, you are watching Ezra Ondara TV. My name is Ezra Ondara. I'm a content creator based in the city of Nakuru. Today in our real estate segment, we are at section 58 inside Runana Apartments. This newly built apartment features 2 and 3 bedroom units, and we are about to go inside and have a look. Right, and then from there, if everything falls right for you, you can always call us, our number 0791055678, to come and book a unit for yourself here. So let's go inside and have a house tour. So before we start, this apartment is strategically located at section 58, just about 2 kilometers from Nakuru CBD. On the opposite, you have the Naivas Super Center. And about 100 meters from here, you can get to section 58 center, where there is a supermarket again, there is a gym. You know, it's a big shopping centers with the groceries as well, you know, barber shops, beauty shops, etc. So the folks have sufficient parking, ground level parking. So their units start from first floor, okay? Ground level parking, and there is a lot of space. Folks, I am inside the 2-bedroom unit. We are starting with this one here. This is just a sample. There are so many units in this apartment. So they did, you know, a huge volume, you know, open layout. Okay, so you have the kitchen on that corner, and where I'm standing is where you have the lounge. I'll get the privilege to get into some units which are furnished, so that you get to see how you can also organize your lounge. Of course, just in the middle there, you can do your dining table, and of course on the far end is the kitchen. So as you can see, there is a lot of cabinetry, okay, and they are beautifully designed. A lot of worktop space. That space there in the center, you can slot a 6-burner gas cooker, and of course they did a double sink, okay, for ease of washing your utensils. They have provided, you know, a lot of power sockets. In the kitchen alone, I see 4 power sockets, and on the lounge there, they have some on that wall, and another on that wall, and another one on that wall. So one thing to like here is the tile work throughout the entire house. You know, be it the kitchen wall tiles there, the wall tiles in the bathrooms. You know, the tile work is just superb. It is neatly done. You know, so kudos to the folks who did the tile work here. Now, my favorite part in the lounge is this huge window, carved in a way, you know, all glass. So there is a lot of natural light just coming through this side all the way, you know, to the kitchen on that end. And of course, there's another large window on the kitchen. Now, when it comes to the door, they did a double volume, so that to allow you to, you know, to put inside heavy or bulky items, okay? So coming from this side, you have this, you know, open entrance here. Straight ahead, that is the common toilet and of course shower. Sharing. And out here we have this, you know, pedestal sink, and yeah, a mirror on that end. So everything looks neat. Then on either side of the common toilet, we have a bedroom and a bedroom. So let's start with this one. This is the guest bedroom. This is kind of like my favorite, but I'll check the master bedroom as well and see. I like this one because of the light, you know, a lot of light here. We have a large window on that side, and then 2, you know, smaller windows here, which is just beautiful. Folks, the wardrobes in this apartment, they are well done. They look executive, nice handles, a lot of storage there, neat organization. Okay, the organization is good, and of course I told you the space itself look clean, and even these sockets here. Okay, they are very intuitive and at least out of some extraordinary stuff. Okay. Folks, I am inside the master bedroom. Just like I said, that's my favorite bedroom. So the master bedroom only has this window here. So on this side, where you have a wall on the other end, is where they did, the ensuite for the master bedroom. So this is the ensuite, and of course it is sharing the shower and the toilet seat. Now they have done a dressing mirror here, wonderful. Now this is a downside for me, if this is the master bedroom, so hopefully there are two people who will live in here. This amount of storage is quite on the lower side, so this is a downside for me. Okay, beautifully done, but in terms of space, a downside for me. Okay. Folks, over to the 3-bedroom. Let me start right here on the balcony. Okay, a beautiful space. We are at section 58, remember. So from here, I'm just looking at section 58 center. I'm looking at all the way to dog section. The views, in short, enchanting views from this balcony right here. Wow, wonderful space for sure. Great space. Now, let's go inside. Now, folks, I've seen some other folks, in their units, they have installed their washing machines out here. If you can do that as well, well and good, because they have provided some power sockets there and other provisions for you to install your washing machine. Let's check out this unit. Inside the lounge, it is the same as we saw in the 2-bedroom, just a full volume, space with the lounge on that end, the kitchen right here. And I also saw in another home, right here at the center, they have done a dining table. Just like I explained, everything else is the same as we had in the 2-bedroom, except the tile work, that side, they are kind of plain in a way, and this side, they are warm, okay? But the other features, the sockets, the large window there, more or less the same. By the way, folks, we are inside somebody's unit. This one has been booked, so you can see they have done their curtains. They were doing cleaning, they have already done their curtains here. So this one has the addition of an extra bedroom, but still, let's check out the bedrooms one by one. Okay, still, so this way, right at the center, you have the common toilet, okay, and a bathroom. Right there, the other features, pedestal sink and mirror, same as we had on the other side. Let me start with this bedroom here, kind of like the one I said is my favorite because it has a lot of windows, okay, 3 of them, so there is a lot of natural light into this space. The features again, the wardrobes, you can see top to bottom, top to floor, yeah, okay, and in terms of the size of bed you can do here, ideally a 5x6 is best, okay, ideally a 5x6 is best, and you will still have room, to even open, the wardrobes, and just move around. So in the 3-bedroom, 2 of the bedrooms are en suite, and just that one, the one I've left, is a standalone. So this is an en suite bedroom inside the 3-bedroom. And yeah, like I told you, this is somebody's house already. They have done their curtains. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. Lots of light from that area. Now for this one, for the 3-bedroom, actually in this house, in this apartment, I find the value in the 3-bedroom. So the 3-bedroom is offered at 5,000 Kenya shillings. And the 2-bedroom is offered at 30,000 Kenya shillings. However, like I showed you in the 2-bedroom, the master bedroom, you know, the amount of cabinetry, ilikuwa kidogo jameni. Okay, so I find value in the 3-bedroom unit in this apartment. So this is the ensuite, bathroom, sharing toilet, and of course, the shower. Now, I like the fact that the master bedroom here is on the opposite side, okay, of the lounge. So we have 2 bedrooms this side, and then the master bedroom is alone on this side. Let's check out the master bedroom here. Wow, yeah, this is more like it. This is more like it. Look at the amount of space we have in the bed area inside the master bedroom of the 3-bedroom unit. Just look at this. Here you can comfortably do a 6x6. If you have a small baby, you can do a baby cot on the side. You can even do, you know, a worktop, you know, a sizable worktop on this end. I'm telling you, that's why I told you the master bedroom is where I find value in this apartment. And so walking this side, they have done something almost a walk-in closet, okay, this side here with wardrobes on this end, and on the opposite, wardrobes on this. Folks, allow me to show you a setup, okay, in these Runana Apartments. This is inside a 3-bedroom unit. Okay, so I'm in somebody's house. Look at the views to that side. All right, and this is just their setup. You know, I just want you to see how much you can do with a unit inside Runana Apartments. Beautiful space. You see? Wonderful. So this is a 6x6 bed, and you can just see how much room you have on the other side. You know, lots of space. That's another 6x6 bed inside the 3-bedroom unit, you know, inside the second bedroom, which is ensuite. So, and the bedroom that I say it's my favorite, the one with the windows all around, this one hosts a 5x6 bed. So I was not wrong. Okay, this one hosts a 5x6 bed, but the other two bedrooms, they comfortably take 6x6 beds. That is inside the 3-bedroom unit. That's why I said, folks, I find value in the 3-bedroom unit in these apartments. Folks, I'm here on the rooftop. So on the rooftop here is a place where they have done the hanging lines. I can see there are some folks there who are hanging their clothes. There are water tanks above here. And of course, from this exact place, you can just come here to chill, have a look of the surroundings. This is one of the tallest apartments at Section 58. So being on the rooftop here, you have 360-degree views of Milimani, White House, Hyrax Hill, Lake Nakuru, CBD. I mean, you see everything. And by there from here, I've even seen Bana. Where? There are some homes here in Section 58. They need to be, they need to upgrade. They need to come to this level. The standard that this guy has set up here, it's a challenge, This one is a game changer at Section 58.